but so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rugged the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
That was awesome.
Love that version of the. Welcome out, everybody.
Okay, guys,
to
we're kicking off the car
St.
show right
James
now.
Car
If
Show.
you're watching me
Hey,
live,
we got a lot going on today. Lots of
let me wait
prizes
till
to
Blaine's
give
done
away.
chit-chatting and I'll show you
We
some
got
of the show.
Episburger and Iceberg here today,
Iceberg
serving
shake.
up food and goodies
Want to see some
for
cool
you.
cars?
If you have not had a chance to
All right,
get
let me
in
flip the
on
camera real
line,
quick.
now's a good
I'm at the
time.
St.
There's no line
John's,
there. And if you
St. James Episcopal Church. It's in Midvale. And you know what? When you look at my post here, look at the bottom. You can get the exact address. Right now, you got to hurry here, though, because the parking lot's filled up. But just tons of cars, trucks, motorcycles, classics, hot rods, you name it. It's here. Starsky and Hutch mobiles. But why don't I just flip the camera and you guys can get a taste of what's cooking here. Okay, here we go. Like I said, there is classic trucks, Dodges, Fords, GTOs, Road Runners. Okay, let me walk this way. Okay, look at that. God, that is one of my favorite body styles. Obviously, Starsky and Hutch put this Torino on the map. Look at these Mustangs, Fords. Yeah, Joey Miklos and his wife Angela, they definitely throw this shindig and put this together. This is their church. And this is a handful of Joey and Angela and his sons. His sons are big fans too of the Torinos. And these are all just absolute award-winning, top-notch cars. They go to Chicago and get documented, and you'll see them on television. And if I remember right, what we're right where this gentleman's standing, I think that one is the Hot Wheel. And you can look it up. Just look up Torino, 1971 Torino, Joey Miklos, and you'll see that Hot Wheels made a fine toy out of that bad boy. I love these cars. They remind me of Grease Lightning. This reminds me of State Street. These little trucks are awesome, the Plymouths. This one's fun. 3 Plymouths right in a row, 66, 67s. I actually grew up in these exact cars. That one right there. My dad, he just passed away, but he had a 67 400 4-speed, bought out of LA, brought it up to Santa Barbara. And that's what I grew up in the 60s and 70s. Here's another like ZZ Topmobile. This gentleman cleaning both his cars. He bought his GT and his brand new 700 horsepower Hellcat. Look at these cars, just classics. And this is great, the 79 Peanut Buttercup. These brings back so great memories. Who does not remember these cars? Sunroof. Yeah, they're all long gone now. They're all in junkyards by now. Convertible is amazing. Let me pan that a little bit. There we go. The weather's perfect. It's just slight overcast, no rain. It's supposed to be about like mid-70s, but it's perfect right now. I'm filming. Good to see you guys. Oh, hey, Carl. I just saw your car.
Nice.
All right. Good to see you guys.
Good to see you.
All right, man. Corvette galore. We have got Corvette galore, man. Damn. I love Corvettes. I'm a huge fan. My first one was a 77 white one I bought from one of my friends that was managing Raffles and Oscars. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a U-turn here, but if you look all the way down, this is the only remaining part of the parking lot. This is 1300 East right here. And feel free to park anywhere where that car's pulling back. And then of course, this little sidewalk section, we can fit probably up to about 20 more. You're gonna laugh at my favorite car here so far. We've got like everything under the sun, from exotics to hot rods. But man, when I saw this Ford, it's like jacked up. This is so great. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. Shell on the back. Oh, smile, I'll get you guys again. All right, look at that, Ranchero 500. That is my cup of tea. Oh, these are so great. I'm a huge slug bug fan. Give me a VW any day, man. Catch me at the beach working out my tan with a little surfboard. Convertible GTO, just outstanding. We have tractors too. You know, in the Midwest, some of the car shows feature a tractor division, and the tractors, we're talking 500 tractors. This one's an old John Deere. It's got the most beautiful thing in the world, including the American flag right on the back. Ah, look at that beautiful thing. Looking good. All right, let me show you some of the vehicles on the left side of my camera. Our DJ booth is right there. Blaine and Jill at the blue trailer, blue Ford truck. We have so many raffles and giveaways and donations, and the sponsors are insane. And I'm gonna feature a whole list, because just about every business in Salt Lake City, they donated. We're not talking like $5 here, $10 there. Thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars are gonna be raffled away and given away. And it could be you guys. And you don't have to have a hot rod. Come down, this is all free to the public. Oh, there's my mom's high school classmate. There's Ray. Hey guys, he's good to see you guys. That's Ray. He grew up with my mom in 1960 at Jordan High School. All right, there's my bud man. There's John and Alicia and their son. Okay, and then the Roadrunner right now, GTO. Oh, eat a burger. Let me go over to, oh well, you know what? I forgot this side. Hot rods and lowriders. I brought my white truck. I didn't have time to get the Hummers out or the bikes, but yeah, I got my old, I call it Great White. God, I love this, man. You'll never see another one of those. Here's Scott Donna's Orange Julius, I like to call it. I love the Duster. These Chevys too. These are enter too. You know what? If you come down, if you have a little kid's toy, but all three of these kids, they are badass. And I filmed them earlier. I'm gonna upload pictures of them, and then let me end my video with Scott Daly and his crew. He's got some beautiful girls inside working, I'll tell you. And there's one right there in her cool hat. Okay, on the north side of the church, there's tons of seating and grass, but yeah, this will all be filled up. So come and go ahead and order Eat a Burger. Lots of stuff. It's just not burgers. There's chicken sandwiches, and oh my God, everybody just loves Eat a Burger. Shake Truck too. Everybody knows Iceberg. They're the red trailer. Scotty and the girls are at Eat a Burger. Like I said, there's plenty of tables to sit and eat. And then let me walk over and show you where the raffles are. And all you do is just get some raffle tickets, and I'll show you Angela, Joey Miklos' wife, and her friends. It's probably easier if I just show you. Okay, there you go. See the blue tent? Just come here and pick up raffle tickets, and just pick up some tickets now. I'm just filming, you guys. There you go. Pick up some tickets. They're only $1.
I'm trying to look up our skirts, Corey.
Oh, all right. She knows me pretty well. I'm sorry. Okay, my camera's up high, girls. Jeez.
I know, this is a score.
Okay. All right. Well, look at that, guys. Look, just come get some tickets. Look at all these prizes. And you get free samples of Purell.
Yeah, that's
Yep,
right.
that's right.
Absolutely free.
All right. Well, look at these prizes. Let me show you some real quick. Look at that, beautiful Traeger. Everybody loves the barbecues. Look at that. Hood accessories. And then what you do is you just take your tickets and come back here, and whatever you think you would like. Look, $200. It's basically cash. 200. Every gift certificate is $200. Look at that. Over here, In-N-Out Burger, Smith's, $200. Mr. Car Wash, $100. Hogle Zoo. Let's see here if I can read at the same time. Museum, jazz tickets. There's also donuts and coffee. This is the healthy corner, right? Oh boy, those look healthy. Oh my. Holy mackerel. Okay. The toothpicks are the healthy. Yep, you can get your little stirrer. Okay. Well, get your coffee, guys, and go ahead and donate. Get some donuts, get some coffee, and it's right here in the corner. And right here is the rest. Oh, let me show you some more of the... You can go in St. James as well. The bathrooms are inside here. You guys can figure that out. But check out this. All just really nice pictures as well. And if you like something, just go ahead and put your ticket. See where it says number 50? Just put your ticket right in there. 49, 48. Pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, just pick up a bunch of tickets. All money raised is going to St. James, and they just do an excellent job. Joey, Angela, and the whole crew here that run this great church, they go ahead and raise a lot of food for everybody in Salt Lake City area. And you know what's nice about this is they also distribute food on Sunday, and they're probably one of the only, I think the food bank, Utah Food Bank does in St. James, and that's a nice feature, because Sundays, yeah, that's a day too that you need food. Okay guys, hopefully you like my little tour. I'm busy today. I'm gonna give away a lot of stuff with Angela at the end. Right now we're getting all the cars parked. God, it's just perfect weather. It's a little overcast and it's perfect, a little light breeze, but you're gonna have so much fun. This is one of the funnest car shows the Rockin' Hot Rod Productions does every single darn summer, and it's right now. So 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. That's the deal, okay? All right, well, I'm gonna get busy, go film some cars, and I'm gonna get some of those donuts. Those look pretty good in coffee. So, okay, we'll see you at the 7th annual charity car show right here at St. James Church in Midvale. You guys need all the details, look below this post. I got the address and everything. Okay, see you guys. Bye.